What's up, everybody? Got another video for you guys. So you can see we got here is some of the Browning. They're what do you call it? X-point defense, 230 grain, 45 ACP. There's your velocity right there. You guys can read that. Hopefully so. If not, I'll just take a picture of it, put in the video. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna do 5 shots through the chronograph into the target, 10 feet from a chronograph, 10 yards from a target, with a Glock 21 Gen 4. All right, pretty much stock except a few little add-on things as far as like extended mag release, catch, stuff like that. So that's no big here. That's nothing here nor there. Then we're going to move on over to our water jugs here, and I'll be roughly 10 or so feet from that when I shoot it. So let's take a look at these rounds. I saw them at a local store and I was like, oh, those look cool. I want to do a video. I want to capture my own in a water jug. So here you go. They look kind of different than everything else. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I guess that's why they call it an X point, because it has like an X in the thing. Anyway, so they look really cool. I mean, look, they're like nickel plated brass. You know, the jacketing on the bullet itself looks pretty awesome and everything. Without further ado, I'm gonna get my mag loaded up, my 5, go over there, get all that started up, and then get the party started. Alrighty, folks, so I got my 5 loaded up. Once again, like I said, I'm like 10 feet from the chronograph, 10 yards from the target. Glock 21 Gen 4. That's how she does. Alrighty, so let's look at our numbers here. Alright, so they hit a little high for me. I was aiming right here, so flush top of my sights, front sight, rear sight. So there's all 5 shots right there. Alright, so I got one round loaded. We are roughly 10-12 feet from the water jugs. And here we go. You ready, sir?
Yep.
Let's go take a look. First jug, there's your entrance, and there's your exit. Second jug, there's your entrance, and there's your exit. Third jug, there's your entrance, there's your exit. Fourth jug, it hit here and tore this, and it kind of spun around because it's cut, and I don't know what that's from. So it's pretty gnarly. And then we have a fifth jug. Fifth jug kind of cut it and hit there, and then there's the last jug. So when I went through, and then here it's sitting on the table. So there's the jacket. Okay, there's your jacket from it, and it could just be separation from shooting water. Let's see if we can find the jacket to it. Actually, probably not, because actually so there's the entrance to the last jug in the middle, and There's like a little puncture hole in the back. Let's dump this out and see what we got in here, because I can hear something rattling around in there. And there's your slug. There's your, yep, core, what do you want to call it? So let's put them together. So the jacket came out, so I guess that's what ripped the jugs up. But it came out, so it had jacket separation. So what I'm gonna do, just to see if this is a fluke, I'm gonna set jugs up again, and I'm gonna shoot one more into it, just to see if it's a fluke. Alrighty folks, so gonna try this again. One more loaded up. Alright, ready, sir?
Yep.
Check it out. All right, here we go again. So the first jug, all right, it just ripped it open. So there's your entrance and there's your exit. Second jug, there's your entrance there, and there's your exit. You already tell it's deformed by the size of the hole. Third jug, okay, entrance and exit. But guess what? There's the jacket. And the third jug again. I'll say it's consistent. You know what I'm saying? So another one of the pedals broke off. And there's your jacket. So you got jacket separation second time. All right. So it's 1, 2, 3 jugs, right? Fourth jug. There's your entrance. And there's your exit. Fifth jug. It just hit the side. There you go. There's your entrance. It kind of went in there, tore into there. And then there's your exit. Then sixth jug, the big old water bottle. So there's your entrance right there. And I don't see any deformation on the outside. So let's check her out. Same thing. All right, so they went pretty deep. Okay, so there's your second bullet. Jacket separation. There's your first. So first, second. So there you have it, folks. That's what it did. The slug, this made it all the way into there. Of course, it's going to be different with actual tissue and clothing and stuff like that. I am working on getting some gel. However, I just don't have anywhere to store it because it has to be in a controlled climate and stuff like that. I don't have enough room in my refrigerator or anything like that. But if I can find me a cheap refrigerator that has enough room, or a free one, I'll get it so I can have gel to actually shoot into. But I don't. But you know what? Shooting in the jugs is a lot cooler because, you know, they kind of like come from together a little bit. There you have it, folks. Here's your numbers. Here's pictures and weights and measurements of these. And if you like the video, like, subscribe, hit the notifications button. If not, oh well. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Stay strong out there, everybody. Go.